Hello, Sairam students. Hope you all are fine and doing your assignments given. Yes. Now coming back to our maths subject. Again, chapter 1 numbers. It is not yet over, and that is part 8. Okay. Now children, look at this picture. Here there is a picture of two balls. Now, if I tell you to compare between these two balls and ask you which one is bigger and which is small, so it will be easy for you to compare between these two balls. You will tell me that that is the orange ball is bigger than the green one. Correct? At the same time, if I show you 4 to 5 balls and ask you to compare between the two balls, that is all the balls, and ask you which one is the biggest one and which one is the smallest one. So what will you do? You need to put these balls in order. Correct? So you will place these balls from smallest one to the biggest one, or from the biggest one to the smallest one. Now when we arrange these balls in order, it is called as ordering. Now the same things goes with the numbers. If I tell you to compare between two numbers, it will be easy for you to compare. At the same time, if I tell you to compare 4 or 5 numbers, you have to put it in order. Now what is ordering of numbers? Ordering numbers means arrangement of numbers either from small to big or big to small. Now when we arrange numbers in an increasing order, it is known as ascending order. And when the numbers are arranged in a decreasing order, they are known as descending order. This also you must have learnt in your lower class, that is 3rd and 4th standard. Okay. Now to place numbers in order, we need to compare them to one another. Now this comparison of numbers we have already studied in the last class. Do you all remember, students, that by putting a table, you just compare the first highest value and then you put a tick mark. Okay. So we'll just be revising that also. So to place numbers in order, we need to compare them to one another. If we are ordering our numbers in ascending order, suppose if you are writing the numbers in ascending order, that means you need to write smaller numbers before our bigger numbers. That means you are writing numbers starting from the smaller number to the bigger number. At the same time, if we are ordering our numbers in descending order, we need to write our larger numbers before our smaller numbers. That means we will be writing our bigger number first and then the smaller numbers. So let us study about ascending and descending of numbers. In the lower classes, you must have studied about a 3-digit or a 4-digit number. Here we will be studying ascending and descending numbers of a 6 to 7-digit numbers. Now just see these numbers. Arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order. Now 4 set of numbers are given. Now in the last class, I have already taught you how to compare numbers. Now just see here. In this 4 set of numbers, the first number is 80613,408. Or in other words, you can say 8,06,13,408. This is a 8-digit number. The second number is a 7-digit number. The third number is a 9-digit number, and the fourth number, again it is a 8-digit number. So here we have two 8-digit numbers. One is a 7-digit number and the third last it is a 9-digit number. Now suppose I have already told you, when you are arranging the numbers in ascending order, you are going to write the smaller number first. And in the last class I have already taught you that a number, that is a number which has more digits is larger, and which has got less digits is smaller. Now here 83,43,999, it is a 7-digit number. So while writing in ascending number, this number will be first. You will be writing it first. After that, you have got two 8-digit numbers. Now with these two 8-digit numbers, we will compare these two numbers. Now how to compare? See, you put a table and accordingly you place the numbers in this box. Now in the last class I have already told you how to draw this table. Now compare the numbers. Now this 8 and 7. From these 8 and 7, both are different digits. So when you compare it, 8 is greater than 7. Correct? So the second greater number will be 80613,408. That is 8,6,13,408. And your third number will be 7,89,21,036. So when you are arranging these numbers in ascending order, your number goes like this. That is, the 7-digit number will be the first one, that is 83,43,999. Your second number will be 7,89,21,036. Your third number will be 8,06,13,408. And your last number will be a 9-digit number, that is 13,55,444. So this is how you arrange the numbers in ascending order, that is from smaller number to bigger number. Now the same thing when you are arranging it in descending order. It goes vice versa, that is the bigger number will come first and then the smaller number. So here the last number which you had written was the bigger one. So this number will come first and then 8 crores and then 7 crores and then 83 lakhs. So this is how you arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order. Now let us do some exercise sums based on ascending and descending order. Okay, coming to the sum. Here it is given as, in an auto expo in Bengaluru, some new cars were showcased. The prices are mentioned below. Now the price of the cars are given below. Okay. Now you have to arrange the prices of these cars in descending order. I'm not saying ascending, I'm saying descending order. That means you have to write the bigger value first. Now in this, just see the price of the first car given here is 13,05,382. So this is a 7-digit number. Now the second is 2,03,45,500. So this is a 8-digit number. The third one is 89,32,000. Again this is a 7-digit number. And the last one is 4,45,89,414, and this is a 8-digit number. Now here we have got two 8-digit numbers and two 7-digit numbers, correct? Now we have to take the bigger value first to arrange it in descending order. Now out of these two 8-digit numbers, the first highest value, when we compare the numbers between 2 crore and 4 crore, so 4 crore is greater, correct? So this number you will write it as first. Now after that, the second highest value is of car B, so this you will write it second. And from the two 7-digit numbers, that is the car C is 89 lakhs, so that you will write it as number 3, and the last you will write it as 13 lakh, that is number 4. So when you arrange these numbers in descending order, you will get it as the first number as 4 crore 45 lakh 89,414, The second one is 2 crore 3,45,500. Third number is 89 lakh 32,000, and the fourth number is 13 lakh 5,382. So this is how we have arranged the prices of the cars in descending order. Now the second sum is write in ascending order using symbols. We'll do this ascending order as well as descending order. Okay, we'll write the numbers in ascending as well as descending order. So the first number is 32,432. The second number is 3,22,431. Third number is 23,413. Then the last number is 34,341. Now according to the comparison of numbers, you all know, like, now first one is a 5-digit number, second one is a 6-digit number, the rest two again are 5-digit numbers. Now let us see the first one. In the 5-digit number, we have to first write in ascending order. So ascending means writing from small number to big number. Now check this first small number, 23, 32 and 34. So which is smaller? 23 lakh. So this number you will write it as first. 23,000. 32,000 is the second one. Third number you will write it as 34,341, and in ascending order 3 lakh will come last. Why? Because we are writing from smaller number to bigger number. So this number you will write it last. So when you are arranging the numbers in ascending order, you will write it as 23,413, 32,432, then comes 34,341, and then comes 3,22,431. Now when you are using symbols, now symbol means the sign of greater sign and lesser sign. Now since we are arranging the numbers in ascending order from small number to big number, now just see here how will you put the sign. Now 23,000 is smaller than 32,000, so you will put a smaller sign like this. Now 32,000 is smaller than 34,000, so 32,000 is smaller than 34,000. Now 34,000 is smaller than 3,22,431, so 34,000 is smaller, so you will put a smaller sign. Okay, how to write using a symbol? Using symbols like the lesser sign. Now when you are writing it in descending order is nothing but vice versa. How we write? You write the bigger number first. So now here 3,22,000 will come first, then comes 34,341, then 32,432, and then 23,413. Actually here 3 is missing, you can write here 3. Now when you are putting the greater sign, as in descending means bigger number first, so you'll put a greater sign to the first number. So 3 lakh is greater than 34,341, 34,000 is greater than 32,432, and 32,000 is greater than 23,413. So when you are using a symbols and writing, you have to use the symbols, that is greater sign and lesser sign, and then write the numbers. Now coming to the second sum, we have got 3 numbers, that is 3 lakh. Coming to this sum, second sum, 3 crore 94 lakh 36,888. Then again 3 crore 84 lakh 36,888. 3 crore 86 lakh 36,888. Now just see here children, here all the first digit numbers are 3 crores. Okay, so now when you are writing it in ascending order, you know how to compare the numbers. Now first number in crores place, all the numbers are same, that is 3. Move on to the second value, that is in the lakhs place. Here it is 94 lakhs, okay, then 84 lakhs, and then 86 lakh. So now which is smaller? This one, 84 lakh, 3 crore 84 lakh. So this you will write first 3 crore, then from 94 and 86, which is small? 3 crore 86 lakh. So you will write this number, second number, and the last number you will write it as this 3 crore 94 lakh. Okay, so when you are writing it in ascending order, your answer goes like this: 3 crore 84 lakh, then is smaller than, using the symbol if you are writing, 3 crore 86 lakh, and then the last number will be 3 crore 94 lakh 36,888. Just see again, if you want you can see here the first number, since it is same, okay, 3, then 84 smaller, 84 lakh smaller is smaller than 86, and 86 is smaller than 94. So you have arranged these numbers in ascending order. Now you also know how to put the sign. Since 3 crore 84 is smaller, so you will show the smaller sign like this. 3 crore 86 is smaller than 3 crore 94 lakh, so you will show the sign like this. Now descending order is the vice versa of this. 3 crore 94 lakh you will write first, bigger number to smaller number, then you will write 3 crore 86 lakh 36,888, and the last number will be 3 crore 84 lakh 36,888. And how will you put the symbol? 3 crore 94 lakh is greater than 3 crore 86 lakh, and 3 crore 86 lakh is greater than 3 crore 84 lakh 36,888. So I think, hope you all must have understood how to write the numbers in ascending and descending order. Correct? So ascending order is nothing but writing from smaller number to bigger number, and descending order is nothing but writing from bigger number to smaller number. And also we have studied about how to use the symbols and write, that is the greater sign and the smaller sign. Correct? So the sums are given here. You have to arrange these numbers in ascending and descending order using symbols. Like symbols, we have already learned how to use it. First, arrange the numbers in ascending order, that is from small number to big number, and in descending order from big number to small number, and practice these two sums. Okay, bye.